Hi guys, welcome back to Lombo Custom Garage. I've got a 2017 Mazda 6 2.5 litre Sky Active. I had to change the top mounts at the rear. They were all damaged. So while I was there, I changed actually the rubber stopper as well. I made a video for you guys to do it without removing the full shock. So just watch the video, the full video, and you can see exactly how to do it and save a lot of time. Top hats, the rear top hats on it. How to do it without removing the full shock. All you have to do is remove the two 14mm nuts, right, pull down the shock, right, then put a vice grip on the top of the shock so it doesn't spin. So as you can see, the vice grips, lock it on the top, get a 13mm, 12 actually it is, it's a 12mm spanner, and then break the nut on the top, loosen it up, pull the mount off, and then put the new one on. It's a big drama to pull this shock off. See the long bolt? It hits onto the spring, so you got to remove the whole arm to get that shock out. That's not even worth the headache. So best just do it from the top. I'll just do it stage by stage so you can see what I'm talking about. So you got a 14mm on a little extension and the ratchet. And just to take off the 14mm nuts, there's two of them. Once you get that, you can push down on the shock. Okay. 14mm nut, one on each side. I've already broken them loose, I'm not that strong to do it with one hand. And then all you do, pull down. I had to do a temporary fix until I got the new hat. I put two tie straps to hold the rubber mount because it's broken, the insert. So I done just a temporary fix until I got the new ones, which I have here, the KYBs. So I'll just have to remove these tie straps and hold that top little rectangle and then undo the 12mm nut and then go from there. As you can see, I'll put the vice grip there. Now what I'll do is get the 12mm and undo the nut. Alright, I've taken off the 12mm. Okay, now what you do, this is the reason why I'm changing the mount. The rubber's actually broken off. Okay, here's the top hat. It's broken with the rubber. So I got my replacement KYB ones. Okay, there's a replacement KYB. The only thing with KYB, they don't give you the hardware. Like, you just put the nut there, there's no washer. So that's it. And see, it saves you a lot of work, guys. And while you're doing that, if your stoppers are no good, I've already replaced mine. Mine were all broken and brittle, so I bought new ones as well. So replace them at the same time you do your top hats, so you got no more issues. So you guys, just a reverse cycle. Just make sure when you put your top hat on, you screw in your rubber mount that sits in the inside. Then line up the 2 bolts on the inside so you can put your nuts on, tighten it up, put your wheels back on, you're done. The easiest way to change your top hats, I think any car actually, but this is the 2017 Mazda 6 wagon. Alright guys, hope you liked this short video. God bless and take care.